Hi friends. It is time to learn easy sentences to help you speak English to others. Video title: Learn English. Easy Everyday Sentences by the Slipos Animation TV. A sentence is a group of words that express a complete thought. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Mr. Peters. My name is Mr. Peters. How do you feel? How do you feel? I feel good. I feel good. What is your phone number? What is your phone number? I do not understand. I do not understand. I want to call you on the phone. What is your phone number? I want to call you on the phone. What is your phone number? My phone number is 111-222-3333. My phone number is 111-222-3333. I am putting your phone number in my phone. I am putting your phone number in my phone. How old are you? How old are you? I am 28 years old. I am 28 years old. What time is it? What time is it? It is 5:30 p.m. It is 5:30 p.m. Where are you going? Where are you going? I am Going home. I am. Going home. What is your address? What is your address? My address is 213 Main Street, West Ocean, Florida. My address is 213 Main Street, West Ocean, Florida. Do you work? Do you work? Yes. I have a job. Yes. I have a job. Where do you work? Where do you work? I work at Shop Now Supermarket. I work at Shop Now Supermarket. What do you do for fun? What do you do for fun? I like to dance. I like to dance. What is the weather today? What is the weather today? It is raining outside. It is raining outside. What do you drink? What do you drink? I drink coffee. I drink coffee. Are you married? Are you married? Yes, I am married. Yes, I am married. What is your email address? What is your email address? My email address is yesno at yano.com. My email address is yesno at yano.com. Who do you call when you need help? Who do you call when you need help? I call the police when I need help. I call the police when I need help. Where do you go when you are sick? Where do you go when you are sick? I go to the hospital. I go to the hospital. Where are your children? Where are your children? They are at school. They are at school. Do you need something? Do you need something? I need food. I am hungry. I need food. I am hungry. The food is good. Thank you so much. The food is good. Thank you so much. You are so smart. Thank you for learning with me. Please like the video. Share the video with more English learners. Subscribe to the channel. Another English learning video is coming soon. Bye friends.